So I'm going to be replacing the belt on my RMK 600 Polaris. I already started before I brought you here. But yeah, so I pulled the old belt off and I dug out the track and I propped it up on a piece of wood. So here we go. Here's where the belt goes. So we're going to start here by putting the belt there. This is one hand. I'm going to pause here. Alright. So I got the belt around this side. And now I'm going to put it on this side. Alright. Move on. Here we go. Let's see if I can turn it. So far, oh, there we go, that's the way. Oh, that's pretty tight. Alright, I put both gloves on. Nope, that's still too tight. So, what is the next step? I don't even know yet. I'll figure it out. That's way too. Alright, so I'm almost there. This is what I did. Digging under it didn't work. So I gotta come along. And I come along to the cherry tree. And I strap to it and I pull. I put a piece of wood under there. Now I'm almost there. I just gotta give her a few more yanks. Alright. There we go. So yeah, there it is, almost on. It's not quite on. It's still off right there. But I need to get it here. Alright, here we go. The last couple of yanks on here. And I should have it on. So I'm just gonna keep going like this. Oh yeah. There it is. It is on there. Beautiful. The belt back on there. And it's all the way around. And that was a lot of work, but I got it. I'm gonna put this. Alright, that guy just needs a smash just to get him into place. Alright, now just put the pin back in. And it's ready to rock and roll. We're gonna save my old broken belt. Just it wasn't that hard. Yeah, we're all done. Close the lid. It's ready to go snowmobiling again. Yeehaw! So every good mechanic